2008 Chevy Colorado. We are getting ready to take out this very generic, cheap, basic radio, and we're going to replace this with a Sony aftermarket double din with navigation. Alright, we're going to take this dash off.
Imagine it just pops off. I've done a few of these before. Pretty sure these just pop off.
Could be wrong, but we'll try this. Pretty sure they just pop off. There we go. Oh, there we go. Okay. Plug in the back over here, and we got a plug for the airbag. There's that one. And then we also have one here. There's the plug for the airbag. And then here's the plug for the top for, I'm guessing, the hazard. Yep. Yep. And there's the whole dash bezel removed. So you got one plug for the hazard, one plug for the airbag. Come out. Got one plug on the back and the antenna. There you go. There's that part, and there's the antenna. And we're going to be installing the Sony with the full nav. Stay tuned. Alright, we're going to plug everything in. Got the Bluetooth mic. Over here we have our radio harness that's wired up. Just a normal GMR CO1, nothing too extravagant. Antenna adapter, and then we have our GPS unit, which is here, and then we're going to have to probably hide that in the back part of the dash back here. We're going to extend this out. So this is the part that's going to kind of stick out a little bit because this plug is so big. This plug is very large. Alright, everything is basically plugged all in at this particular point. So, got our harness. I'm going to figure out a way to secure this somewhere back there. This for test fitting purposes to see how all the harnesses and everything are going to fit. We have a lot of harnesses and wires, things of that nature that we need to kind of fit all back here. Alright, let's try it and see how it works. Doing a remote start on this, so kind of got a couple things going on at once. Plug all this stuff back in. I don't know. I guess. I gotta go over there after I'm done with this and look at it. Alright, and that snaps right on like that. Looks very, oh, him and nice.